Hi there, a video to show you how to edit your text and photos once your new website has been created. So you'll be provided with a login and password and a link to your dashboard. So the link will bring you to a page that looks like this, and you'll see that there's a username or email address to add. Use always the username that we give you and the password that we've supplied you with. So type that in and then click login. And you should find yourself in the dashboard, which is this area here. So once you're in this area, you'll see that there's a couple of sort of shortcut areas showing here. So for example, it says add, delete pages, edit navigation menu, add or edit, delete blog posts, and edit existing pages front end. If you are new to this, then what you might want to do is, first of all, is always imagine that you're going to be editing your pages on the visitor end, the public end, so you can see exactly what you're doing. So as you can see here in the top menu bar, it says front end. So you'll head there first. So click on front end and you'll find yourself seeing the visual side of your site. And you'll see that this area is the header. So that's not editable from where you are when you're editing a page, but we'll come to that later on. So it's this area, the main content area, that you'll find that you can edit easily, and we'll show you how to do that in this video. There'll be more complex things that we'll show you in future videos. So just to get started, once you're on the page that you want to make your changes to, click on where it says front end editor, and just click on that, and you'll see that within a few moments it will load up, and you'll see that each of the rows has got a blue outline around it. So let's have a quick look at that. So when you hover over this main photo, this is the header row, it's actually got a little blue outline, quite faint, you can't quite see it very easily on here, but an outline. And when you look at the top, you'll see it says row settings there when you hover over that little grey box there. So that's when you know you're in the row settings if you click on that spanner. Lower down, you can see that there's a text module here, and that's got a nice blue outline. If you wanted to edit that text, you'd simply hit on that, and you'll see that a pop-up appears. You can make that bigger by dragging it. And under the General tab, you'll see the heading. So you would just click in that, make your changes, and click Save. The pop-up disappears, and any changes you've made you'd see on the page. Scrolling down a little, you can see that each area has got the blue outline. That is the area that when you click on it, you'll be able to edit. So in this instance, we'll click on this text block, up it pops, and you just click into the box and type your text. So obviously, this is the demo version. It's got the Latin filler text here, but you'd just simply remove any text you didn't want and type your text in and replace it. Clicking Save, that will shut down that pop-up. And scrolling down, you can see our demo coronavirus sort of alert box there. If you wanted to delete that, you would just simply click on the remove icon and say OK, and that's gone. So moving down the page, you've got an image carousel here. Click on it and click on Edit Gallery, and you'll see that you've got 5 images here. You can drag and drop the order that you want them to appear on. You can delete an image, and you can click Add to Gallery to add more. So when you click Add to Gallery, you have 2 options. You can either upload a file from your computer, or you can choose an image that has already been uploaded to the media library. So if you upload an image to the media library, you can use that same image multiple times throughout the website. You just need to select it to show where you want that to show. So let's select this nice picture of some flowers, click Add to Gallery, and we'll drop that in there, take off that one, click Update Gallery, and then Save. And you'll see in a moment, there's the new image that I've added there. The highlights box works exactly the same way. You just click on it and you'll see the highlights there. You just go into the box for the highlight you want to edit and make your changes, and click Save. Scrolling down, this is an info box. Works exactly the same way. Just click on it and you'll see the various bits of parts of text that you can edit here. Here's the title areas and here is the main text. And you just make your changes and click Save. Then you've got a column setting here, which is the background image. Sorry, let me just cancel on that one. This is a background image to the column. So you would scroll down here and you can see that the background has been chosen as a photo. And here's the photo that's been selected for that. If you wanted to change it, you just click Edit and change the image to another one and click Save. And that has changed that to the new image. Going down the page, these two are exactly the same: info box, column background, and likewise these below. And then lastly, these two rows, these are this one is a global testimonial slider, and that appears on the bottom of every page, and we'll show you how to edit that shortly. And this is the global call to action, so enticing one of your visitors to have a look at your availability and to possibly inquire. And again, this appears on every page. So again, you can't edit those from the actual page that you're editing at the moment. You have to go to those separately because they're global areas. And that's your footer. So once you've finished making your changes on the page, you would just click Done, and you'll see Publish is one of the options. You'd click Publish, and that would be it. The changes you've made will then be live. But as I've made some changes that I don't want to save, I'm going to click Discard. So if ever you make some changes and you think, oh dear, I've done something wrong, just click Discard and you don't have to worry. And all the changes you have made in that session will not be saved. And that's it. Then you can just start again. So once you've finished that page, you can then move on to the other pages and make the changes in exactly the same way. One thing I didn't show you how to do was how to change the header photo. So let me quickly go back and do that. So again, clicking on the front end editor to load up the page editor. Wait for you to see all the blue outlines, etc. Hover on this is called the header row, and click on the row setting icon. And rather similar to the column background, to wait for these items to load up here in the pop-up box, scroll down to the background area, and you can see this has been selected as a slideshow, so you've got more than one image there. Click on Edit Gallery, and you can see there are three lovely photos. You can add to gallery. We recommend no more than 5 because you don't want to make it too heavy. So imagine you wanted to add this picture. Actually, you can see this picture is not very wide, so not ideal for such a big image area. Let's see this one. Yes, this one will be fine. Select the picture you want, click Add to Gallery, Update, and Save. And you'll notice at the end of that, you'll see that the picture I've just added will appear at the end of this slideshow. You'll see there you go, the sunset. Oh, actually, it was the hay bales that I've added. So there you go, that's the picture added. You can click Done and Publish, and those changes will instantly be live on the site. And then you can go through to the other pages, make your changes in exactly the same way, clicking on front end editor and waiting for it to load up, clicking into the various different sections in exactly the same way. Now this is called a parallax background, and you can see that the text moves in a lovely way over the image. That is just a background to the row in exactly the same way that the slideshow headers work. So you just select the picture and change that for another one. And that's that. So if you want to see how we edit the global areas, let's imagine you wanted to add a review. You would hover over front end editor, and you can see there's a sub menu here. You'd choose the global area testimonial slider, and that will open up the actual global call to testimonial slider for you to make your changes. When you click on that, it'll bring up the testimonials pop-up box, and you need the second tab, and just click into each one to make, if you need to change something. If you want to add one, just click add testimonial, click on edit, and type in the testimonial here. Most people would copy and paste it from an area. If you're copying and pasting it from somewhere like TripAdvisor, you don't want to copy over their formatting. So choose the text area and paste it in, and that will strip out any of their formatting that they've got there. And the client name goes here, and click save. And that's it. Click save overall, and then done and publish. And those changes will instantly be live. It's unlikely that you'll need to change the call to action here, unless you want to change the image. So in exactly the same way, hover over front end editor and wait to see. Actually, sorry, you'll have to get, you need to go back into the main site before you can see the global areas. So back to like a home page, for example, and then hover over front end editor, and you'll see it's called global area call to action. Click on that, and it'll bring it up. Got to scroll down to it. And when you hover over it, you'll see the row setting icon. Click on that. Wait for it to load up. And then scroll down, and you'll see it's got a photo as the setting for the background. Simply click on the select photo link and choose another image. So let's just see what that looks like. Oh, that's a bit small. You can see the size of it here. You can see that 640 by 425 pixels. That's not really big enough for such a full width area. So I'm going to go back with the same picture that was there before. Click select, save, then done and publish. And that same sequence applies to everything. You just click into the module or row, make your changes, click save, publish, and done. We've provided these instructions in a written form as well, so do keep those to hand when you're first starting out, so that you can really remember the steps. And of course, at any time, send us an email if you wish to ask us a question about how to edit something. We can create you a little video showing you how to do something specific if you've got a bit stuck. Thank you. Bye-bye.